Hi guys, this is Benam Kumar. Welcome to our channel Kings of Creators. In this video we are going to see circle toolbar. Let's get into the video. Start Catia. Start mechanical design, part design. Select a plane, go to sketcher option. In circle toolbar 7 types of options is there. First one, circle, 3-point circle, circle using coordinates, tritangent circle, 3-point arc, 3-point arc starting with limits, last one arc. First we are going to see circle option. Select the circle option from the circle toolbar, click on workspace and enter the required radius. I am entering 30 mm, then press enter. You can form a circle. Second one, 3-point circle. By clicking 3 points on the workspace we can form a circle. Point 1, point 2, then point 3. You can form a circle. Next one, circle using coordinates. By selecting the circle using coordinates we can find a circle definition dialog box here. In this there are two types of options here, Cartesian, second one polar. In Cartesian type we can enter the coordinates. I am entering 50, 100, radius 20. Click on OK, you can form a circle. Is it here? For suppose if you want to draw a circle dia 15 mm on dia 100 mm with angle 50, we can use polar option in circle using coordinates. Let's see how to draw. I am deleting this. Select and then switch to polar option, then enter the radius 50, angle 50, dia 7.5. okay, let's see. Let's confine dia 100, angle 50, dia 15. Next one, tritangent circle. For suppose if you want to form a circle between 3 circles, you can use this tritangent circle option. Select, click on first circle, second, then third. You can form a circle between 3 circles. Fifth one, 3-point arc. Place a first point on the workspace, then second point. Let's enter the radius here. I am giving 100. Then click where you want. you can form a arc. Next one, 3-point arc starting with limit. First we need to specify the starting and ending point, then the direction. I am giving 100. You can form. Which direction you want by dragging and clicking on the workspace, you can form a 3-point arc with limits. Last one, arc. Click on the workspace, then enter the radius 120, enter, then select the angle. I am giving 45 degree, enter, then enter the second angle 180. You can form a arc. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Kings of Creators. This is Benam Kumar signing off.